The Capital One Venture X has a pretty hefty $395 annual fee, but by using a single benefit, you can earn $300 of that back, and you can even do so with a single purchase. And that benefit I'm referring to is a $300 annual travel credit, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works step by step with a live demo in today's video. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a great app to manage all of your credit cards and rewards in one place. Now, unlike some credits on other credit cards by other issuers that you may be aware of, that have a lot of rules and regulations and restrictions on how you use them, the one on the Venture X is pretty straightforward and very easy to use. In fact, there's really only one major restriction, and that is you must book travel through the Capital One travel portal in order to be eligible to be reimbursed up to $300 per year. And that's it. There's no need to enroll or activate. As soon as you get this card in the mail and you activate the card, then that benefit can be used right away. And best of all, you can use it in one single purchase if your purchase is $300 or more, or in increments of multiple purchases. For example, if you have, let's say, 6 $50 purchases, you'd be reimbursed $50 for each one throughout the course of the year as you make them up to that $300 threshold. So let me show you how it works by booking a flight. All right, I just logged into my online Capital One account and pulled up the Venture X card. Now to access the portal, we have to go to the rewards section, and we'll do so by clicking on redeem right here. Then right here at the top, we have the adventure awaits section. So I'll click on discover travel, and then I'll click on book a trip. And just like that, here we are. So welcome to the Capital One travel portal. By the way, if you want to get here very, very quickly, just go to travel.capitalone.com, and that will bring you right to this page after you log in, of course. So what we want to do now is click on flights, and I'm going to look for one-way flights from, let's see, this will be SNA to DFW. And departure will be, let's see here, December 30th, which is a Thursday. It also shows you right here the lowest fares, low fares, medium, or high, just to get an idea based on the color schemes here of where the most favorable prices are, especially if you have a flexible itinerary. So it's pretty cool to see that by price. So I'll go with the 30th, say done. I'll be going with my brother, so this will be for, let's see, 2 adults, and that looks good. Apply and search. Awesome, so right away you're greeted with a really cool tool right here, which is the price predictor feature. So it says right here, you should wait for a better price, but book before December 21st. So that's nice to see that. It also shows you this time scale here, where it's a gradient price, from great price to good, fair, and then wait. So right now, my indicator is saying to wait for a better price. It's too early to book because airfare prices for my itinerary may be dropping. And then if I'm not yet ready to book, I could have it price watch for me by clicking watch this trip. All right, so scrolling down here, there was a flight that looked really good to me. It was one on American, let's see, 231, 505, 315. Okay, so I scrolled through a few others, and I do like this one here, leaving at 231, arriving at 731. It's a non-stop flight, just 3 hours, 276. That price and that itinerary and everything works well. And just for comparison, I'll also open up AA.com and see if that price is competitive to booking directly here. So let me say one way from SNA to DFW on the 30th of December, right there, and search. And scrolling down here, let's find that 231, 731, there we go. Flight AA 794 for 277, back to Capital One, 276, so $1 cheaper, basically the same price here. That's definitely cool, so let me click on that. Also confirming the same flight number as well, AA794, so that's good. And then we've got our options here for seats. So we've got main cabin here for that 276 price. First class was 575, back to AA 576. Yep, still the same price for first class as well. So for this one, I'll do main cabin. There it is right there. I can also view details to expand that, see more information about the flight. Also, what perks or benefits I have access to. For example, being able to do an advanced change, seat selection, carry on, etc. So that's good. I'll go ahead and continue. And now we've got a pretty standard checkout process. So first, step one is to add the travelers. I'll say add traveler with a button right there. Name, birth date, gender, nationality. Here's frequent flyer program. So this is going to be important as well. So I can put my American Airlines number on here. Let's find AA. There we go. American Airlines Advantage. I'll put my frequent flyer number there. That way I can still earn miles and credits toward elite status on AA, which is great. Then the last text field here is your known traveler number, or KTN. So if you've got your number for a TSA PreCheck or global entry, which also includes TSA PreCheck, enter that right there. So I'm going to fill out these details and then be right back. Now moving on to step 2, we've got seat selection. So I'll go ahead and do that with select your seats. Next is step 3, rewards and payment. So I can use rewards and the payment method you add to book this trip. So I can, let's see, select an amount, apply Venture Rewards, 23,860 miles. That's for my Venture card. I have no miles on my Venture X yet because I just got it. But that is at least cool. So if you have multiple cards that earn miles from Capital One, they are all displayed here on your checkout page. So I can just select which one I wanted to do. So I'll be choosing do not apply my rewards because I'm okay doing a cash booking for this. I'm saving my miles to reimburse myself for another hotel stay that I did. So it's $552.80 all in for 2 people. And then here for payment method, I have to add a Capital One credit card to pay my remaining balance. Of course, let's see here, add with the plus icon. I can then choose between my Venture card, which would earn 2x or double miles for the booking, or my Venture X card to earn 5x miles. Obviously, we know which one is better. So I'll select the Venture X, and then it prompts me to fill out my card information. So I'll do that and be right back. Cool, so there it is right there. I also like how it reminds you you'll be earning 5 miles per dollar for the flight purchase. And then also down here in the bottom right, it also shows you how your annual travel credit works. Each year, you'll get up to $300 back on purchases made through Capital One Travel with your Venture X card. This credit will be automatically applied to your Venture X card statement within 7 business days, but may also take up to 2 billing cycles. That's good by me, so let's confirm and book. Confirmed your flight is booked, and there was a whole bunch of sensitive information there on the screen, so I blurred it all out, but nonetheless, it is all done. Also, toward the end of the booking process, I decided to switch to a later flight. That's why you see the new one there on the screen, 3:15 to 8:22. I did that all off camera, so you wouldn't have to watch me think out loud of what would be the better itinerary, but I decided to actually just take that later flight, but the price was identical to the one that got in around 7 or so. So while I originally booked that flight on December 9th, about 6 days later on December 15th, I received this email from Capital One saying your $300 credit is here. I like the sound of that. The credit amount was the full $300 because my 2 flights were more than that, so I used it all in one purchase. It also would show you how much of your credit remains if your purchase was less than $300. So for me, that's $0. And it simply says, Jeffrey, thanks for making a purchase through Capital One Travel with your Venture X card. Now that the credit is in your account, there's only one thing left to do. Start planning your next trip. I like the sound of that too. I then logged into my online Capital One account, pulled up my Venture X card to view the transactions, and there boxed in red at the bottom, you can see on December 11th, because it took 2 days for it to go from pending to posted, from Capital One Travel was my flight for $552.80. Then there up at the top boxed in green, we see the Capital One Travel credit for the full $300. And that is a done deal. If you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on those notifications. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers, to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a great app to manage all of your credit cards and rewards in one place. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.